1. What Australian standards are you familiar with in carpentry? I'm familiar with AS 1684 for timber framing, AS 2311 for painting and finishing timber, and AS 3959 for bushfire resistant construction. These standards are essential for ensuring safety, durability, and compliance in carpentry work. 2. Can you explain AS 1684 and how it applies to your work? AS 1684 is the Australian standard for timber frame construction. It provides clear guidelines on how to design, cut, and install timber frames safely. I use this standard when building wall frames and roof structures to ensure they are structurally sound and meet compliance requirements. Number 3. How do you ensure your work complies with building codes and standards? I always review the project specifications and blueprints and cross-check them with relevant standards such as AS 1684. I take precise measurements, select the correct materials, and follow approved construction methods to make sure all work meets the required codes and regulations. Asher. 4. What safety standards do you follow on a construction site in Australia? I follow WHS, Work Health and Safety Regulations. This includes wearing the correct PPE, maintaining a clean and safe work area, using machines according to safety procedures, and reporting any hazards or unsafe conditions immediately. 5. Have you ever used AS 2311 for timber finishing? How? Yes, I've used AS 2311 to guide the preparation and finishing of timber surfaces. I follow it when sanding, priming, and applying paint or clear finishes to ensure the surface is protected, long-lasting, and visually appealing. 6. Why is it important to follow Australian standards in carpentry? Following standards ensures the work is safe, durable, and legally compliant. It reflects professionalism, builds client trust, and helps avoid costly mistakes or project delays. 7. What would you do if you notice that a part of the structure does not meet AS 1684? If I notice a part of the structure doesn't comply with AS 1684, I stop the work immediately, double-check the plans and measurements, and report the issue to the site supervisor. Then, I fix the problem to ensure everything meets the correct standard. 8. Can you give an example of how you applied a specific standard in your work? Yes, on a framing project, I applied AS 1684 to select the correct timber size and determine the spacing for wall studs. By following the standard, the frame was structurally sound and passed inspection without any issues. 9. How do you stay updated with changes in building standards in Australia? I keep updated by reviewing changes in the National Construction Code, attending toolbox talks, learning from experienced supervisors, and participating in site training sessions or industry updates.